Submit as deliverable. Submitting a document as deliverable is the final step in the translation process. To submit a document as deliverable, begin by opening the Document menu and selecting Submit as Deliverable. In this menu, you can see the document name and language pairs associated with the job. The first step is to choose the language pair for the document you wish to finalize and submit. It is best to only finalize languages for which you are responsible. After selecting the correct language pair, click on Create File to automatically create the document based on the translations done in the CAT editor. Clicking on the Settings icon will allow you to decide if the source text should be placed in the final document if the translation for those segments is missing. If you are ready to finalize, simply click Create File. Depending on the size of the document, this may take a few seconds. The original document name is pre-populated into the document name. It is, however, recommended that you alter the original name in some way as to not get the original and final versions mixed up. You also need to choose how you want to save the finalized document. You can save it as a final document, source attachment, or as a translation attachment. If this is not the first time you have finalized the document, please remember to overwrite the previous file. When ready, click Finalize. The system will notify you of the success or failure of the finalization. Simply click Close to exit this notification. You are now ready to change the status of the job to completed. There are several ways to do this, some of which we have previously discussed. You can complete the job by exiting the CAT editor and clicking Complete Job on the Details page. Or you can complete the job from within the CAT editor using the job bar found at the top of the working space. If you're not ready to create a final version of the document, you can also save a version to either the source or translation as an attachment. Let's say, for example, you did a mock-up layouted version of the text that you would like your project manager to have a look at. Choose the Save as Translation attachment option and drag the document from your computer into the drag and drop field. Click Finalize, and this document is then available in the Document menu under All Files. You can attach as many documents as you need or is required by your company workflow. All attached and finalized documents can be found under the respective folders in the All Files menu.